Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Okay, now you guys are very comfortable with the concept of context free grammar. Okay, so we will have the next important point, that is nothing but regular grammar. Before going to learn regular grammar, if you like my videos, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, then never forget to comment on it. So we will start with the next topic, that is nothing but regular grammar. Okay, so as we have already seen in designing of finite automata, they accepts the languages. Okay, so these languages are called as regular languages. Okay, so before going to learn what is mean by regular language or what is mean by regular grammar, first we need to learn some of the things, that is what is mean by right linear grammar and what is mean by left linear grammar. Okay, first we will see what is mean by right linear grammar. So if all the productions of CFG are of the form A tends to WB or A tends to W only. So first we will see what is mean by A, W and B. So where A and B are variables and W is a string of only terminals, possibly it can be empty also. Okay, means what, if we have the productions of the CFG either in this format or in this format, where A and B, these two are considered as variables and W is any string of only terminals. Okay, means what, if in all the productions in left hand side it is always a single variable, but in the right hand side first we have a list of terminals and then it should end with single non-terminal. Or it can be the case that in LHS we have single non-terminal and we have a list of terminals and terminals only. Okay, so if grammar is a right linear grammar, then it should follow one of the two rules. Okay, so similar is the case with left linear grammar also. So if all the productions of the CFG are of the form A tends to BW or A tends to W, where A and B are variables and W is a string of only terminals. Okay, so here is the same case. So difference is what, we should have all the productions of the form A tends to BW, where B is a single non-terminal and W is a list of terminals and terminals only. Okay, so if we compare the productions in RLG and LLG, okay, so we can get the difference that in case of RLG we can have the non-terminal present at the rightmost side in the RHS. Okay, and in case of LLG, non-terminal is present at the leftmost side. Okay, and that is the single non-terminal. Okay, in both the cases we have single non-terminal, but we can have the list of terminals. Okay, so in case of RLG we could have non-terminal present at the rightmost side, and in case of LLG the non-terminal is present at the leftmost of the RHS. Okay, so according to the position of variable present in the RHS, the names are given to the type of grammar. Okay, so right linear grammar means at rightmost position we have non-terminal, and left linear grammar means at leftmost position we have non-terminal. Okay, so is it clear to all of you? Okay, so now we will see what is mean by regular grammar. Okay, so grammar is regular if it is either RLG or we can call it as LLG. Okay, so if we have RLG, means all the productions of this format or this format, then that grammar is right linear grammar, and right linear grammar is nothing but regular grammar. Or if we have all the productions of the form A tends to BW or A tends to simply W, then we can call it as left linear grammar, and left linear grammar can be regular grammar. Okay, so there is one important note related to regular grammar, that is the class of languages accepted or generated by finite automata is called as regular languages. As already we have discussed this, that is all the languages accepted and generated by finite automata are called as regular languages, and the grammar built for these languages is called as regular grammar. Okay, so that was related to regular grammar and right linear and left linear grammar. If you have any queries, then please comment on it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.